and you can too. So let's get busy burning off those bothersome bazooms. Girls, are you ready? Alrighty. Let's start with a stretch. And down. Okay, now you try. See how those big breasts just weigh them down? I'm telling you, you can't float till you get rid of those sinkers. And now the shoulders. Come on, girls. Oh, yeah. That's right. That's right. Now this one. Just pull it. And pull it. Really pull it. Oh, wow. That's gonna be sore in the morning, but it hurts so good. And you know what they say, no pain, no gain. Now, before attempting any serious lifting, I can't stress enough the importance of eating a healthy breakfast. Of course, I prefer mine in concentrated form. Another advantage of my at-home workout is that there's no need for investing in costly weight sets. With just a little imagination, a few hefty household appliances will do just as well.